What's up, everybody? This is Mike Dobbs here at Off-Road Addiction, and we are going to run a special for everybody on Metalcloak for the month of June. We are going to have 10% off of all our Metalcloak if you come in during June and bring up the promotion code, which Ricky hasn't given me yet.
What's the code?
Cloak me, Daddy. Should we restart? Cloak me, Daddy. Come up and say that, like and subscribe to our YouTube, and we will definitely hook you up on some Metalcloak during the month of June. Watch our channel. There will be more promotions out there for everybody, and don't forget to Cloak me, Daddy is the promotion code, and 10% off during June. Thanks, and we're out.